Seahorses, with their equine-like heads, curled tails, and unique mode of swimming, stand out as one of the ocean's most distinctive creatures. These enigmatic beings are not just remarkable for their appearance, but also for their fascinating behaviors and life cycles that intrigue scientists and marine enthusiasts alike. Delving into the world of seahorses uncovers a wealth of intriguing facts that highlight their extraordinary place in the marine ecosystem. One of the most striking features of seahorses is their upright swimming posture, a rarity in the aquatic world. This unique trait is complemented by their ability to expertly camouflage themselves within their surroundings. Seahorses can change color to blend in with their environment, a skill that aids in their survival by hiding them from predators and allowing them to ambush prey. Seahorses are found in shallow tropical and temperate waters around the world, from the seagrass beds of the Atlantic Ocean to the coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific. Their habitats are under constant threat due to human activities, making conservation efforts for these delicate creatures more critical than ever. The diet of a seahorse is as fascinating as its appearance. These creatures are carnivorous, feeding primarily on tiny crustaceans like copepods and mysid shrimp. They are ambush predators, waiting motionlessly for prey to pass by before sucking them into their long snouts in a rapid motion. Perhaps the most well-known and extraordinary fact about seahorses is their unique reproductive behavior. In seahorses, it is the males that become pregnant and give birth to their young. Females deposit their eggs into a specialized pouch on the male's abdomen, where he fertilizes and carries them until they hatch. This remarkable role reversal is a rare phenomenon in the animal kingdom. The gestation period in seahorses can vary from 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the species and water conditions. When the time comes, the male undergoes a series of muscular contractions to expel the fully formed miniature seahorses into the water. This birthing process can be quite an event, with hundreds of tiny seahorses being born at once. Seahorses form monogamous pairs for the breeding season, and some species may mate for life. These pairs engage in daily rituals, such as greeting dances each morning to reinforce their bond. During these dances, the seahorses may change color, swim side by side, and hold each other's tails, showcasing a level of intimacy and social behavior that adds to their charm. Despite their serene appearance, seahorses are not strong swimmers. They rely on their dorsal fin to propel them forward and their pectoral fins for steering. Their prehensile tails, which can grasp onto vegetation, help them to stay anchored in strong currents, preventing them from being swept away. Seahorses have a unique way of avoiding detection by predators, not just through their ability to camouflage, but also because they lack a caudal fin, which means they produce very little movement in the water, making them almost invisible. Conservation of seahorses is a growing concern, as they face threats from habitat destruction, pollution, and the traditional medicine trade. Many species of seahorses are now listed as endangered or vulnerable, highlighting the need for marine conservation efforts to protect these and other marine species. The anatomy of a seahorse is as curious as its behaviors. Their bony plates, which provide protection, are covered by a thin layer of skin. Unlike most fish, seahorses do not have scales. This unique skeletal structure gives them a rigid body, which does not bend as other fish do. Seahorses have excellent eyesight, and their eyes can move independently of each other. This ability allows them to scan their surroundings for food and predators without moving their bodies, an essential survival trait for these otherwise conspicuous creatures. The size of seahorses can vary greatly depending on the species, ranging from the tiny pygmy seahorse, which is about the size of a pinky nail, to the much larger species that can grow up to a foot in length. This size variation is just another aspect of their diverse and intriguing nature. In addition to their role in the ocean's ecosystems, seahorses have a significant cultural and symbolic presence in many coastal communities around the world. They are often associated with strength and power, despite their delicate appearance, and are featured in art, literature, and mythology. The courtship display of seahorses is not only about strengthening bonds, but also about synchronizing their movements for egg transfer. This synchronization ensures that the transfer of eggs from the female to the male's pouch is as efficient as possible, maximizing the chances of successful fertilization. Seahorses are also known for their low survival rate in the wild. A large number of seahorse fry fall prey to various predators or fail to find enough food to sustain themselves. This high mortality rate is one reason why seahorses have such large broods. Interestingly, seahorses have no stomach. Food passes through their digestive systems so quickly that they must eat almost constantly to stay alive. This voracious appetite means seahorses can consume up to 3,000 brine shrimp a day. Research on seahorses has led to some groundbreaking discoveries in the field of marine biology, including insights into the evolutionary development of fish and the role of genetics in their unique reproductive strategies. Seahorses play a vital role in their ecosystems, not just as predators and prey, but also as indicators of healthy marine environments. Their presence in a habitat suggests a well-balanced ecosystem, making them an essential focus for marine conservation efforts. If you learned something from this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.